Good morning, students. In yesterday class, we already discussed about why haloarenes do not respond nucleophilic substitution reaction so easily. Students, today we will discuss about electrophilic substitution reaction. So first we explain what is a electrophile. Electrophile are those substances having positive charge or electron deficient. That electrophile we can represent by as a E plus, and this electrophile attack on benzene nucleus because aromatic ring has 6 electrons, so it is electron rich system. This electrophile attack on this benzene ring, then it at least remove hydronium ion from the benzene ring. It's remove a less reactive electrophile, that is H plus. So this reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction because the electrophile substitute from benzene ring a hydrogen ion as a positive ion. And this type reaction detail mechanism we already discussed in 11th class. These reactions are generally we can divide 4 types. So first reaction we can write halogenation. Halogenation. In halogenation we need a halogen atom and a Lewis acid. Lewis acid, aluminium halide, anhydrous aluminium halide or iron halides. Aluminium halide, or we can use iron halide. Generally this halogen either chloride or bromide. If we take chloride, then we use anhydrous aluminium chloride. If we use bromide, then aluminium bromide or iron bromide. Then what happen? The product we get when benzene react, then we get halobenzene, means chlorobenzene or bromobenzene. This reaction known as electrophilic substitution reaction or halogenation. Another reaction is that known as nitration. In this nitration, we introduce nitro group in benzene ring. We introduce nitro group in benzene ring. So what are the reagents for nitration? Friends, remember that is we use concentrate nitric acid and concentrate sulfuric acid. These two reagents are reacting mixture. When it's react, we get the product is nitrobenzene. So in this, what is electrophile? What is the role of sulfuric acid? The sulfuric acid generate its electrophile. In this nitration, which electrophile? That is NO2 plus act as a electrophile. How can it prepare? Detailed discussion we already discussed in 11th class. In halogenation, which electrophile? In this halogenation, halogen as a electrophile means halogen is positive charge, and this Lewis acid generate that electrophile. In this concentrate sulfuric acid generate the electrophile. Third reaction is sulfonation. Sulfonation means introduce of sulfonic acid in benzene ring. So when benzene react with fuming sulfuric acid, what is mean by fuming? Fuming means SO3 gas, sulfur trioxide in H2SO4, fuming sulfuric acid. When it's combined, then it's known as oleum. If we write, then H2S2O7, this compound known as oleum. So in this SO3 act as a neutral electrophile. If we draw the structure of SO3 like this, so due to difference of electronegativity, shared electron near towards oxygen side, and so this sulfur behave as a electron deficient. It is a neutral electrophile and it wants electron, so its attack on benzene ring, we get benzene sulfonic acid. This benzene sulfonic acid. This reaction also a electrophilic substitution reaction. Students, one more reaction is fourth reaction known as Friedel-Crafts reaction. This Friedel-Crafts reaction we can divide in two types. First one Friedel-Crafts alkylation, second one Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Acylation. What is meaning by alkylation and acylation? Alkylation means when alkyl group introduced in benzene ring. For example, if we write here Friedel-Crafts alkylation, when benzene react with alkyl halide RX in presence of Lewis acid. This Lewis acid we can use anhydrous aluminum chloride, aluminum halide. If halogen is chloride, then chloride, bromine, then bromide. Generally we use chloride and bromide. So this one is electron deficient. It obstruct the proton, obstruct halogen, and we get a R plus as a electrophile, means electron deficient. So this attack and we get hydrocarbon, aromatic hydrocarbon, alkyl hydrocarbon. If R is CH3, then we get methyl benzene or toluene. So this known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Alkylation means introduce alkyl group. So we can write another reaction, acylation. In acylation, when benzene or aromatic substance react with acyl halide RCOX, acyl halide in presence of Lewis acid, anhydrous aluminum halide, anhydrous means moisture free. The substance should be moisture free. It's remove the halogen, so we get a electrophile, that is RCO plus, means this carbon, if remove this electron, then carbon is electron deficient. So this act as a electrophile. So this attack on benzene ring we get in this compound like this, a ketone, aromatic compound, we get ketone. So students, these are 5 electrophilic substitution reaction. First one halogenation, means introduce of halogen into benzene ring. Second one nitration, introduce of nitro group. Third one sulfonation, when sulfonic acid introduced. Fourth one we can say Friedel-Crafts alkylation, when alkyl group introduced. And fifth one Friedel-Crafts acylation, means acyl group. So we get by acyl we get ketone, alkyl then we get aromatic hydrocarbon. So these all reactions we already discussed in 11th class. Now we study of haloarenes, these chemical reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction in haloarenes. Now students, we can divide aromatic compounds in two ways. If a benzene ring attached one like such type compound, in benzene ring attached a OH group or attached any ether like alkoxy group, means one example, or another compound like this nitrogen group, means aniline. What we observe in this compound, because we know oxygen has 2 lone pair of electron and nitrogen 1 lone pair of electron. So what happen if any OH group already attached on aromatic system, then this lone pair move into next bond, it make pi bond, and pi bond can make lone pair. So in this way all these substances, all these compounds show resonance. So what happen if we draw its resonance structure like this? So on ortho position negative charge, if it move further, it can write further resonance, and this continuous going on. In similar, we can write in ether also and amines also. In all these structures, if we observe, then ortho and para has negative charge. In similar, amines and ethers, and if we draw on this compound halogen, if chlorobenzene has 3 lone pair, so then it's also show resonance structure like this. In ortho position negative charge, again it's move the electron. So it's a negative charge, and further it is movement. You know how can you draw the resonating structure. So students, in these structures we can say ortho and para has negative charge. So if any incoming group, if any electrophilic substitution reaction occurs in these compounds, like means halogenation, further nitration, sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts reaction, that reaction occurs ortho and para position. Why? Because the electrophile wants electron and electrons available at ortho and para position. So the incoming electrophile easily occupy ortho and para position. So the reactions, so these compounds known as ortho-para directing. Ortho-para directing. Ortho-para directing group, or we can say activating group. Activating group. Why? Because these group introduce electron density in benzene ring. So that group known as OH, phenols, ethers, amines, primary, secondary, tertiary, and that is alkyl group, R group. So when any compounds attached alcohol, ether, amines and hydrocarbon that are electron density increase and ortho-para directing. Incoming group electron density increase at ortho and para. So the electrophile easily attack on ortho and para. Para product is major product. Why? Because ortho is nearby, so there is steric hindrance. So we get para is major product and ortho we get slightly minor product, but they are ortho-para directing group. But some other substance, other compounds like aldehydes, if benzene ring attached like aldehyde, means attached like aldehyde group. Ketones means carbonyl, aldehyde or ketones. Carboxylic acid or ester, acyl halide, cyanides and nitro group. Nitro, if any compound that is like aldehyde, carbonyl, carboxylic acid, cyanide, nitro group, then what happen? If I write here nitro group like this, then what happen? Friends, we know they are withdrawing group, deactivating group. They remove electron density from benzene ring. So this nitrogen bears positive charge, it's remove electron from the ring, and so they, if we draw its resonance structure, then we can find like this resonance structure. In this resonating structure, we can find in benzene ring positive charge at ortho position. Further it move, if we write more resonance, then we find positive charge at ortho and para position. So further it is going on. So in this compound resonance structure, ortho and para positive charge. So if we chemical reaction apply, electrophilic substitution reaction apply in aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, cyanides, nitro compounds, then what happen? The incoming group occupy at meta position. So these substance known as meta directing group. Meta directing group and deactivating. Why? Because they decrease the electron density in benzene ring. They remove electron from benzene ring. So the reaction do not occur as equal to like benzene because they remove electron from ortho and para. But at meta position, slightly electron density remaining, so they are meta directing. And those substances, they are ortho para directing. But in this halogen, although ortho para directing but deactivating. Why? We will explain this reason why halogens are ortho para directing but deactivating. Ortho para directing groups are activating, but halogens have special category ortho para directing but it is deactivating. So we will discuss this later on. स्टूडेंट्स, हम इसको डेली लाइफ से ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि जैसे हम किसी शादी में गए, डिनर पार्टी में गए, तो वहाँ डिफरेंट स्टॉल पे मिठाई लगी हुई है, तो हम कहाँ जाएंगे? हमें जो अच्छी लगेगी, जो मिठाई हमें अच्छी लगेगी, उस स्टॉल पे जाके हम खाएंगे. तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल को कौन सी मिठाई अच्छी लगेगी? इलेक्ट्रोफाइल को इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अच्छे लगेंगे. इलेक्ट्रॉन जहाँ अच्छे मिलेंगे वहीं पे जाके अटैक करेगा, सबसे पहले वही मिठाई खाएगा. तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल को इलेक्ट्रॉन मिलेंगे कहाँ? ऑर्थो और पैरा पे मिलेंगे, इसीलिए वो वहाँ अटैक करेगा. परंतु आपने जैसे ही कहीं पार्टी में गए और वहाँ सब जगह सामान बिखरा पड़ा है, लोग खा के जा चुके हैं और पीछे से बचा हुआ थोड़ा बहुत अगर बचा है, कुछ जगह बचा हुआ है, बाद में आने वाला क्या करेगा, उस बचे हुए जो जहाँ साफ जगह होगी, जो प्लेट साफ होगी, उसको लेके वो सामान खाएगा जो ठीक सी जगह बची होगी। पर डीएक्टिवेटिंग ग्रुप क्या होंगे, आपने देखा होगा पार्टी में बहुत सारे लोग जूठा छोड़ देते हैं, गंदा कर देते हैं, कुछ जगह ऐसी बचेगी जहाँ थोड़ा ठीक होगा, वो आदमी वहाँ खड़े होके बैठ के खाना खाएगा। ऐसा ही इस ग्रुप में होता है। इन डीएक्टिवेटिंग कंपाउंड रिमूव इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम बेंजीन रिंग, सो ओनली सम इलेक्ट्रॉन्स अवेलेबल एट मेटा पोजिशन, बिकॉज ortho and para they remove electron, only some electron remaining at meta position, so they are meta directing group and deactivating. Why? तब उस जगह उस आदमी का खाने में मन नहीं लगेगा, चारों तरफ अच्छा साफ सफाई नहीं होगी। अगर आपको लगे जैसे ही शुरू में गए तो आपको सब कुछ सामान अच्छे से व्यवस्था मिलेगी, तो आराम से आपका मन लगेगा, आराम से आप वहाँ रह पाएंगे। ऐसा ही हमारा पढ़ने में होता है। मान लो हम जिस रूम में पढ़ रहे हैं, जहाँ अच्छी लाइट होगी, अच्छे बेंच होंगे, साफ़ सफाई होगी, हम वहाँ पढ़ेंगे। साफ़ नहीं होगा तो वहाँ मन नहीं लगेगा। तो इनकमिंग इन दिस कंपाउंड्स, इफ वी सी द नेचर ऑफ द इनकमिंग ग्रुप, so it's depend on electron density. So those group increase electron density, they are ortho para directing. Those decrease electron density, they are meta directing. But halogen has special case. In halogen what happen, this electron density increase but it is deactivating. So now we explain what are the reason. And chlorobenzene, by taking one example, different chemical reactions of chlorobenzene. Then students, we know chlorobenzene has 3 lone pair of electron. So this lone pair of electron move towards this side, so it shows resonance. We can write resonating structure. In this resonance, its ortho and para position show negative charge, so we can write all its resonance. Since when we observe, chlorobenzene show total 5 resonating structure. In these resonating structure, if we observe 3 resonating structures, carbon halogen bond, double bond, and 2 are only Kekulé structure, the bond is displacement. In these structures, if we observe, ortho and para has negative charge, so incoming electrophile occupy on ortho and para position. When the reaction occurs, electrophilic substitution reaction, because these positions are electron rich system. But what happen, students, we know halobenzene has 2 different effect. One is inductive effect, other one resonance effect. So this known as a resonance effect. Resonance effect. This effect known as plus R effect. Plus R, or we can say plus M effect. M means mesomeric effect. This known as mesomeric effect. Means that effect electron density increase, and electron density increase, so incoming electrophile occupies easily on ortho and para position. But other factor in halogens, what happen? There is a inductive effect also. Inductive inductive effect, and this effect is minus I. It is minus I. What is minus? Means it's remove electron in sigma bond towards chlorine side. So electron density remove out. Electron is remove from benzene ring. Ultimately, these two effects are opposite direction. Resonance effect towards ring side plus R effect, and minus I is remove electron from benzene ring. Which one is? Both two effects are opposite direction, but inductive effect magnitude minus I is greater than plus R effect. We can say overall electron density decrease from benzene ring. So it is deactivating. Why haloalkenes are deactivating? Because its inductive effect is greater than resonance effect, overall electron density decrease. So the reactivity depend on inductive effect, but orientation means incoming electrophile occupy where? Ortho and para position. So they are ortho para directing. The question comes in exam, explain why haloarenes are although deactivating but show ortho-para directing. If any substance is deactivating, should be meta-directing because that remove electron from benzene ring. But due to the resonance effect, that is plus R effect, they donate to electron and remove also electron. And inductive effect is greater than resonance effect. So overall reactivity depend on inductive effect, orientation depend on resonance effect. After later on that reaction, we will explain why these two effects decide the incoming electrophiles. Now students, we write electrophilic substitution reaction with chlorobenzene. So first reaction we want to write chlorination, means halogenation, reaction with chlorine, and we know these are deactivating group, so required some more drastic conditions, means slightly more reaction condition we have to increase. So we take anhydrous iron halide, means FeCl3. We can use aluminum halide also, but we can write normally when halogenation then iron halides, so FeCl3. This FeCl3 acts as a Lewis acid, it's remove one chloride, so we get chlorine as a electrophile. This electrophile attack at ortho and para position. So we get one product plus this product. Ortho dichlorobenzene and para dichlorobenzene, or we can say 1,2-dichlorobenzene, 1,4-dichlorobenzene. This one is minor product and para is major product. The reason is why it is major, because there is less steric hindrance in this. So this chlorine and this chlorine slightly face repulsion, but when they are opposite direction, so they are less repulsion. So this is major product. If we write next reaction, that is a nitration, when chlorobenzene react with concentrate nitric acid and concentrate sulfuric acid. These two reagents known as nitrating mixture for required nitration reaction. This role of the sulfuric acid provide nitronium as a electrophile. In this reaction also we get two products, one occupy at ortho and other one at para. So what IUPAC name of this substance? Because both are prefix, so we can start numbering from chlorine side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 membered ring means this is benzene. So 1 chloro, its IUPAC name is 1 chloro 2 nitro benzene. 1 chloro 2 nitrobenzene. And next compound is 1 chloro 4 nitro benzene is IUPAC name, and para product is major product, and ortho is minor product, that is steric hindrance, minor one. If this similar reaction occurs by sulfonation, third reaction is sulfonation, when chlorobenzene react with concentrate sulfuric acid, we can say fuming sulfuric acid, concentrate sulfuric acid as SO3 gas available in this fuming, this is known as fuming sulfuric acid, fuming sulfuric acid, or we can say oleum H2H2O7. When the sulfur trioxide gas mixed with sulfuric acid, that known as oleum. It's provide a electrophile, that is neutral electrophile SO3. Sulfur is electron deficient, so we get again ortho and para product, means ortho chloro benzene sulfonic acid. This one is ortho chloro, or we can say 2 chloro, because numbering start from sulfonic acid side. 1, 2. 2 chloro benzene sulfonic acid, that is minor, and major is para product. Why para is major? Due to steric hindrance, SO3H, means 4 chloro. Its IUPAC name is 4 chloro benzene sulfonic acid, that is major product. So these 3 reactions I write here. Now we explain Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Now we explain Friedel-Crafts reaction. First we explain Friedel-Crafts alkylation. In this alkylation, we know chlorobenzene, when react with alkyl halide, we take a general example CH3Cl and Lewis acid, anhydrous aluminium chloride. In this aluminium chloride, this abstract chloride ion, and we get a electrophile, that is CH3 plus. So this CH3 can react both the position, either ortho or para. Because it is ortho-para directing. So what is IUPAC name of this substance? Because both are substituent, so we start numbering from chlorine side. Why chlorine side? Because it starts from C and that is from M, methyl. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is aromatic compound benzene. So 1 chloro, 2 methyl, benzene. This one is minor product and this one major product. Para product is major product in this 1-chloro-4-methyl-benzene. Sometimes it known as toluene also, 2-chlorotoluene or 4-chlorotoluene. So both name generally we write. Next reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acylation means we have to introduce acyl group. In this reaction, we will introduce acyl group. So, in this chlorobenzene, when react a particular example, we will take acetyl chloride, or we can say ethanoyl chloride, IUPAC name, in presence of Lewis acid, that is anhydrous aluminium chloride. What is the role of aluminium chlorides? Remove chloride ion and we get acyl as a carbocation, that electrophile. This attack on benzene ring, we get two products. One attached as ortho position, other attached at para position, and para product is major product. So students, its common name is also famous. If this chlorine is not there, then this compound name is acetophenone, that is common name. So that common name sometimes accepted in IUPAC also. So its IUPAC name, how can we write? That is slightly different, but you can write also if numbering start from this side, because this one is main group ketone. So 2-chloro, its name is 2-chloro-acetophenone. That is common name but accepted, sometimes written in your NCERT book also. But IUPAC name, how can we write? First we find out the main functional group, because this compound is a ketone. So numbering main compound ketone, then this should be as a prefix. So this one is a phenyl ketone. Which type phenyl? This one is orthochlorophenyl. And so numbering start in this way, 1 and 2. So its IUPAC name is, we can write 1-chlorophenyl. We can write orthochlorophenyl, 8th, why? 2 carbon, single bond N, orthochlorophenyl, ethane, 1 on, ethane E remove and 1 on, ethane 1 on. So it's slightly, that is longer name, orthochlorophenyl ethane 1 on. This E is removed when we add on. But generally it's right 2-chloroacetophenone. Other we write 4-chloroacetophenone. 4-chloro means we start numbering from this side, or we can write para-chlorophenyl ethane 1 on. Why? Because at carbon first is a ketone. So its name we can write in this way also. Now students, these are 5 reactions: electrophilic substitution, halogenation, nitration, sulfonation, and 2 are Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. Remember all these reactions, main reagent and how they occurs, and the detailed mechanism we already discussed in 11th class. You can see again the chapter how can the formation of electrophile and attacking of electrophile and then removal of proton. Although the students in your NCERT book a question is given at page number 306. At page number 306, a numerical question given, example 10.9. In this question, although chlorine is electron withdrawing group, question is this: although chlorine is electron withdrawing group, yet it is orthopara directing in electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Why? This question comes in exam many times. Explain why chlorobenzene, although it is a deactivating group, but it is orthopara directing. What are the reason? So that reason explain in your NCERT book. Now I will write here what are the reason. That is that one, it's orthopara directing group. Now students, this one is chlorobenzene. We want to explain why they are orthopara directing. The reason is when any electrophile attack at ortho position. Students, we write arrow mark from benzene ring to electrophile. Why? Because electrons are available in benzene ring. So it's like this formation. Chlorine and E is here. So this hydrogen is sp3 hybridized. Now after attacking, and this chlorine get positive charge. So what happened? This positive charge, and we know electron chlorine has minus I effect. So minus I effect destabilize this carbocation, this positive ion cation when the electrophile attack. So it is destabilize carbocation. So that it is deactivating, because positive charge comes when electrophile attack at ortho position. So this inductive effect destabilize this carbocation. Other factor, when it's react, we want to explain now resonance effect. This one is inductive effect. Inductive effect means remove electron towards chlorine side. Now resonance effect. In resonance effect, if electrophile means positively charged, so again it's attack ortho position. Now we will explain resonance effect. So what happen? This like situation occurs, E and H. There is a chlorine, it bears positive charge. Due to that resonance effect, because chlorine has 3 lone pair, so this lone pair move towards this. So this lone pair move towards this, so this stabilize, because this carbon is positive and electron move towards positive side. So resonance effect stabilize the carbocation. Stabilize the carbocation by providing the electron, that is plus R. If this electrophile attack on para position, if I write here para position. Incoming electrophile attack at para position. Then what happens, students? This electron, this type situation comes when para position attack. So this electron move towards this side and this again move to this side. So E here para position and H. So after that its positive charge comes to chlorine in second position. First it's removed, then its electron come this side. So we get positive charge like this. In this reaction what happen? When attack para position, then positive charge also due to lone pair stabilize. In both the reaction, resonance effect is stabilize the carbocation. But in first reaction, inductive effect is destabilize the reaction. So the incoming electrophile occupy ortho and para. So orientation decided by resonance. Orientation decided by resonance effect and activity decided by inductive effect, because reactivity decided by inductive effect. Why? Inductive effect minus I is greater than plus R. So overall electron density decrease due to inductive effect is greater than resonance effect. So these are the reason, although halogens are deactivating group, but ortho para directing reason is because due to resonance electron density increase at ortho and para. When electrophile attack at ortho and para, the formation of a carbocation that is stabilized by resonance effect, and inductive effect destabilize. So this is deactivating group. Students, in this way this topic is very important. So read carefully, and your all aromatic chemical reactions is finished. There is two main important reaction, nucleophilic substitution as well as electrophilic substitution. Reactions with metal we already finished, because when any metal halide react with sodium metal, that is Wittig reaction and Wurtz-Wittig reaction. And in this year next that are some haloarenes given, like dichloromethane, chloroform, carbon tetrachloride, DDT, BHC, such type compounds in this year. Your from CBSE this year reduce that syllabus. So that are not so important in due to the especially in this exam, but you can study in your NCERT given. When you get time, then you can read that chapter. One main reaction is very important in last page, that what happen when chloroform placed open in air in sunlight. Then this reaction occurs, students, in chloroform. When chloroform means that we use as anesthetic earlier. So this chloroform highly poisonous substance, when react with oxygen in presence of sunlight, it's form a highly poisonous gas that known as phosgene, COCl2, and we get HCl. So this gas in sunlight highly poisonous, known as phosgene. Carbonyl chloride, we can say carbonyl chloride. So this gas is dangerous gas. So it should be placed in dark bottle in dark room. colored bottle in dark room. It is advised chloroform placed in dark bottle in dark room. Such types reasoning question comes in exams in a way. So our chapter is finished. Some exercise question also given. So note down these questions, and in these reactions very important conversions. You can solve the difference conversion. If you have any problem, then write in comment box, like and subscribe, and we will start next chapter, alcohols. Thank you. Have a nice day.